Amazon has still not broke through. This is still resistance territory. This is still, to me, a put versus a call. This is why we collect on these locations in case it goes against you. It doesn't go all the way against you. Does that make sense, everyone? I like a break and hold on Amazon above 155.44. Otherwise, that's all crap. It's still a put to me. Do you understand the difference? Thank you. Move your stops up, right? If you bought puts right here, move your stop up. Why? Because it doesn't mean it's going to continue to run. You've already got into the green. Move your stop to lock in your profits. Make sense? Okay, because we do want it to knife drop, which would be great. And then you don't have to touch the stop, but you want to make sure on the trade of VWAP to the downside, you scoot the stop up. So no matter what, you're in a green trade. I hope that makes sense. But look at that. How many people you think FOMO'd up to VWAP? Like, I'm going to buy longs. Then you bought them. They immediately go red. Now you cancel out, and it could come up to retest VWAP, and then you're like, damn it, I should have stayed. It's all about when you're getting in. Know the critical levels. Know what to do and know why to do it. Does everybody understand the difference? Let me walk you through this. So today, right, today we got in right here on this 2-minute EWO. It drove up, right? We collected 50% here, 20% here, 20% here, 10% here. We got out of the trade. It broke VWAP. You guys rode this all the way down to the critical level of 200. Right here is where I told you this is a great position to go long. You longed it up to VWAP. I told you right here, this is where you want to collect and have your stops in place just in case. Right here, I said this is the perfect opportunity for puts. You bought your puts. Now you guys are back into the calls. You're on the 200. This is now a triple bottom bounce. You've made money all day. All you had to do was listen to the sound of my voice. Again, right here, your calls. Now listen, anytime we do that, we have a tight stop loss. Isn't that what I said? A tight stop loss every time. Yes?
Yes.
Because these are quicker scalps. These are not a 2-minute EWO. We are just playing off levels. Guess what? If this comes down and retests right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, quickly, isn't that bearish?